viewport meta tag. Viewport meta tag is tag that we use to define how our website will be scaled on small size devices. Viewport meta tag could be very useful in cases if content of our website is too small on small size devices, so we can scale it 2 or more times for mobile phones, tablets, etc. Okay, and let's create one more meta tag. Let's create our meta tag with name and content HTML attributes. Like name for this one, let's set viewport. And like content, let's set something like initial scale equals to 1. Basically, with the viewport meta tag, we can set how content of our website will be scaled on small size devices. So let's refresh our web page. Now in the top right corner, you have 3 dots. So let's click on it. We are currently in Microsoft Edge, by the way. Now from available options, let's click on Developer Tools. Now let's click on this arrow down. And let's click on Emulation. From this window, you can choose and emulate how your website will look like from different size devices. For example, we can choose iPhone 7. So here it is how your website will look like on iPhone 7. Okay, for now we have that initial scale is 1, so basically content of your website will be scaled same on desktop and mobile device. But if you change this to 2, let's save this change. Now if we refresh our page, we can see that content is twice bigger. So basically now content on small size device will be twice bigger in comparing to the content that we have on the desktop device. Of course, you can change this to anything. Let's set something like 3. So now when we refresh our page, you can see that now content is 3 times bigger on the small size device in comparing to the content that we have on desktop device. With the viewport, we can directly set how your small size device will be scaled on, let's say, width. Okay, let's change this initial scale to 2. So if we save our changes and go back in web browser, now when we refresh our page, we can see that content of our website is scaled on width by 2. Of course, you can set height instead of width, and the concept is basically the same. Okay, this is how you can use viewport to scale content of your website on small size devices. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.